Oh my god, another one.
Come get me?
Oh my god.
Oh, she won't jail. Hello? There's
Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Detroit has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Monroe County in southeastern Michigan until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:58 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Britain, or near Milan, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Dundee around 3:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Maybe around 3:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Carlton around 3:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Flat Rock around 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Trenton around 3:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Newport, Cologne, Astral Beach, Erie, South Rockwood, Woodland Beach, Stony Point, St. Maria, Azalea, and Schofield. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Monroe, Michigan.
Well, that caught me off guard. I was about to go outside and bring the stuff in. That caught me off guard.